Hi, this is Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media TV, and in this video I'd like to give you some tips for shooting better video using your smartphone. So the first thing you want to do is clean your lens. You have two lenses, one in the front and one in the back, and when you're cleaning that lens, remember that is what you're going to be looking into if you are in fact shooting a video of yourself. You also want to make sure that that lens is up at eye level when you start filming. The next thing you want to have is a tripod. Now a tripod will help stabilize your phone, as well a gimbal is good to use. Otherwise, you want to make sure that you're moving very, very slowly as you're moving around with your phone. So let's go ahead and open up the camera. And from here, I'm going to click on video. A couple of little tips. When you zoom in and you're shooting a video, it tends to pixelate the quality of that video, so it's not recommended. For better composition, get in closer or lower to whatever it is that you're shooting. Now, you've got your tripod. The next thing is lighting. Natural light is your best light. And if you don't have natural light, make sure that you turn all the lights on, or that you have a lampshade, or even that you've purchased lighting. And then we're going to talk about sound. So with sound, you have a built-in microphone, but you can purchase a lapel mic, and you did get earphones when you purchased your smartphone, so those work really well. So now you have a tripod, you've cleaned your lens, you have good lighting, and you have good sound. If you put your finger in the middle of the frame, such as I'm doing right now, you will notice the yellow box that pops up and the lock frame. This is perfect for focus and exposure, and it's highly recommended. Now, I do know that sometimes we forget to do this, but if you make yourself a little checklist, then you can go through everything just before you start shooting. And those are my tips to help you shoot better video using your smartphone. Let's remember, everyone, keep it simple.